Hi, there you are. Nana Ting Treasures here. Welcome. Hope you enjoy this little segment. If you didn't see my last video, it was all about the bolo. I'll link the description up at the top. I'll link it. You can go take a look at what the bolo is. This is all about the bolo. And I got some bolo. Oh, here, let me show you. Here we go. Now, this is amazing. Bolo. Vintage t-shirt. Do I look like I care? Now, I don't know how real vintage, obviously it's not, depending on what you look at, 20 years, 30, whatever. This is single stitch sleeve. Can't see it probably but that is single stitched. And the best part of it, it's dated 1998. Right there, 1998. Made in the USA tag. And Tweety Bird. So I did find that. The other one I found, tie-dye. Tweety Bird. Stay out of my way. Nice. This one is also dated 2000. So 20 years, I guess that's vintage. But on this one, the sleeves are not single stitched. They are double stitched. So you decide, vintage or not. I have two more. Now this one is really nice. That's the Blue Angels. Made in the USA tag. This is Hanes Heavyweight 50/50. And it is extra large. Made in the USA. I don't know if you can see that. So I do have this. There's staining on it. Yellow stains. So I thought maybe I'll be able to get that out anyways if I try all of what they say you can try. Oh yeah, and this here is single stitched sleeves, single stitched. And the last one I got was this one. So that's also, this is on a TJ's tag. Made in the USA, and it also is not single stitch, so I don't know that this is really vintage, but it is made in the USA, and the size sticker has been ripped off. But comparing it to the other one, being it's bigger in the size I have, this would probably be, in my opinion, an extra large. It also has some yellowing and some staining. So what I'm going to do is show you a video on these, trying to get the stains out. Of course, the old go-to. First I'm going to try with the lemon juice and then baking soda and vinegar. Supposedly that gets yellowing out. Then the second try, if that don't work, I'll move on to peroxide and salt, supposedly, or just peroxide or both. So I'll try that, and if that don't work, I'm doing bleach. Bleach, I have a Clorox stick and liquid bleach, and I'm going to try that. So we're going to see how that works. Get to that right now. Hey, hope you enjoyed that. Well, trial 1, 2 hours later. Trial 2, an hour later. Finally, I just hit it with the bleach because it still was showing yellow. And even after that, you may not be able to see because it is pretty much gone, but it's very, very, very faint. You really can't tell. This lighting's so bad, but I would not, I'm going to put this up for sale and hope I get 20 bucks for it. It's still a very nice t-shirt, very vintage. It's got the blue angels. And truthfully, it's not bad at all. I don't even see that you can see any staining, but it took me all that time. And there's nothing on the back. And then this one, this was the worst stained one. And still a little bit right there, you can see just a tad yellowing. But from me doing this and scrubbing so hard, I don't know if you can see, there's actually tiny, tiny little, it almost looks like a flea bite hole. 2 of them right there. And I'm sure that's from the scrubbing. So I don't know if I'll get anything for this. Since they're not the same size, I'm not going to throw them up together. But I'll throw them up and we'll see what happens. So, hope you enjoyed the bolo. I did okay, 50%. Not bad, I don't think. So, till next time, thanks for watching. Bye.